guys, welcome back with another video. After a long time I'm back with a ROM review. You guys already know Ancient OS already released few days back, actually maybe 1 month, but I was busy with some work, so that's why I could not make videos, and from now you guys will get regular videos hopefully. So let's get started with Ancient OS, and here you guys can see Ancient OS 6.2 Shield. And if you are waiting for the review, then this is for you guys. This is amazing ROM you guys easily use for daily life. This is gonna be another best of the best ROM I can blindly recommend you guys. And of course this is vanilla build. I'll drop the GF link which is perfect for you. You guys can check out description. And Next status is enforcing build type. You guys can see here the February build number, and here is the Android version 12 of course, and build type is still. Everything is latest security update also. So after that we have here the Ancient Lover, use customizations, status bar as usual. You guys will get clock and date settings, carrier label, enable network traffic. Electricity was gone, so that's why I could not show you right now the traffic indicator. Everything is working without any issue, just perfect. Everything is perfect here. And battery image you guys can use, battery layout, battery percent, custom charging icon, so many things are there. Fill alpha for dep only, rainbow color for MIUI version 2, and so many customizations. Signal, 4G, VoLTE, Ancient logo we can enable on the left top corner, and VoLTE icon, Wi-Fi, so many things are there. And theme settings, we have some extra settings, homepage theme. You guys can select collapse Ancient 11, that means Android 11, and stock USB based Android 12 collapsing. And dark theme can be select from here, and new things, use dark theme. Here is the logo, a new user interface, so many custom fonts are there, so many fonts we can select from here. Icon shapes, leaf, pebble, so many things are there. Corner radius style, and icon pack also can be changed. So many icon packs are there. Oxygen OS like use custom color, hues changes has been made. And quick settings, hide QoS in secure lock screen. You guys can use that feature. This is really great. QoS in secure lock screen. On lock screen you guys won't be able to just swipe the control center. That's the feature. Battery estimates, edit icon, QoS footer, so many things. And show brightness slider on bottom. Brightness slider was on top, now in bottom, so that's the feature. Adaptive brightness button, so many things are there. Here is the buttons, you people already know about that. And power menu are there as usual, regular customizations, and gesture bar is navigation pill bar is huge. You guys can maintain yourself. OSP gesture, system navigation, and here is the customizations. Dose pill height, we can enable more height here. Pill margin bottom also can set, pill width can be set, so many things. And haptic feedback also, and double tap to check phone. All these are gestures, and screenshots, brightness control, so many things. Everything is just awesome in that ROM. And navigation bar as usual, lock screen notifications, and animations of course. Screen of animations we can select CRT, and animation style, flip, rotate like this. So this is a feature. And animation duration, fast, default, or low, whatever you need you can select. Accelerate, decelerate, bounce, overshot, anticipate, so many things are there. And finally we have about section here, and of course miscellaneous. We have wake-on plug. If you don't enable this wake-on plug, then when you just put your device on charge, you device won't light up. So this is the feature. If you want light up when you charge your device, then enable this one. And here is the pulse when listening to music, never pulse. If you enable this never pulse, when you listen music, you will get here some equalizer. So this is it, an ambient pulse. So many customizations, I can't just explain everything. You guys can check yourself, and everything is fluently working without any issue. Just power smooth experience I got in that room. And this is it. And finally, here is the network section. We have dual SIM working here, and VoLTE of course, and so many preferred network type you guys can select as usual icons. And here is the sound section, you guys know about that. If you want to upgrade from 6.1 to 6.2, you guys can do easily, no problem. And finally, we have here the wallpaper section and themed icons. Just enable this one, and now themed icons are enabled. This is it. And battery really great. I'm using this ROM for a few days and I got really great battery backup. And if you asking for gaming, then of course this is also a gaming ROM. I already did the review of gaming. So, and you guys can use the Magix module for gaming, no issues, and fluent experience you guys will get. And digital well-being system, of course we have built-in AOSP keyboard because this is vanilla build. And now let's talk about some extra features. And here you guys can see the smoothness, mind-blowing smoothness, next level, just next level. So flashlight, everything just working without any problem, and all the tiles are working without any issue. And here is the extra dim option, which is great, working without any problem. No issues with anything, just smooth experience and really great animations, smooth animations. Now let's talk about home settings. We have the default launcher and we don't have extra customizations here because so many customizations are there inside setting, so we don't need any extra. And really great, we have the default Gcam, which is Gcam Go, and I played PUBG Mobile without any problem. You guys can play. And let me show you now Geekbench score. And Geekbench score also really great, not only great but also one of the best one. 272 single core and multi-core 1236, which is also great. And now let me show you CPU throttling. And here is the CPU throttling to 90%, also great things. And now let me show you safety net. Now I'm sorry for that because no electricity and no Wi-Fi, so that's why, but this is safety net passed by default, no problem with that. You guys can easily use in your daily life, so I can guarantee you guys can easily use. And really thanks to the builder, which is who is Penetrator, really thanks to him for this great work. So hope you guys understand the video, and if you like my work and if you need any changes in my work, then just let me know in the comment section below and I'll do my best. So thank you for watching.